In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Work Management for HR projects. Jira Work Management can be a great tool for organizing HR processes because it helps you keep requests, deadlines, approvals, and team responsibilities all in one place. To get started, open Jira, click Projects, and then select Create Project. From there, choose a Jira Work Management template. Pick the template that best matches the way your HR team works. Then enter a clear project name, something like HR Requests or Employee Operations, and click Create. Once your project is ready, the next step is to set up HR request types. Open your HR project, go into Project Settings, and create issue types for the kinds of HR work your team handles regularly. Common examples include employee onboarding, employee offboarding, leave requests, training requests, policy updates, and recruitment tasks. This setup makes it much easier to categorize work correctly from the start. After that, you can begin creating HR tasks. Click Create, choose the right HR issue type, and then fill in the task details carefully. Add the employee name or the requester, write a clear description of the request, include a due date, set the priority, and assign the task to the appropriate HR team member. Then click Create. The more complete your task details are, the easier it will be for everyone to act on them quickly. To keep everything organized, use the different Jira views based on what you need to see. The list view is useful for managing incoming employee requests in a straightforward format. The board view helps you track progress as tasks move from one stage to another. The calendar view is especially helpful for monitoring important dates. And the timeline view gives you a broader picture for planning HR projects and initiatives. For employee onboarding, create a separate onboarding task for each new employee. Within that task, include checklist items like preparing documents, setting up equipment, scheduling orientation, and completing training. Assign these tasks to the relevant HR team member so responsibilities are clear. You can also use Jira to track recruitment activities. Create tasks for each part of the hiring process and monitor stages such as job opening created, candidate review, interview scheduled, offer sent, and hiring completed. This gives your team a clear hiring pipeline. For approvals and requests, add approval steps to your HR workflows and assign approvers when needed. Track each request through statuses like submitted, under review, approved, and completed, so everyone knows exactly where things stand. To save time, go to Project Settings and open Automation. Create rules to assign tasks automatically, send deadline reminders, update task statuses, and notify team members about new requests. Finally, protect HR information by going to Project Settings, then People. Add your HR team members, adjust project permissions, and restrict access to sensitive employee-related tasks so confidential information stays secure.